dollar store special.
I know, it's so hard to get it out.
It's his. He's going to come get it.
How much tape?
After a while, you'll go crazy with all those.
Got a lot of noises.
You already are.
Push it back.
Not crazy. It's just you start to learn what every single button does.
Oh, man. Can I have that pen?
Pin?
She wants to break something. Scotch tape or something.
Good Lord.
Did you run out of paper, Lyndon? There it is. You've got it. Not you. I'm talking to him. I bet you he could have taken it apart. It must be sealed on the back.
Bottom bit?
On the back or the bottom. It must have something on there that... Keep going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
There's your problem. Oh, that's got those things like my TV has.
And do you know how long I tried to break these before I learned that you're supposed to
Just
twist
twist
them?
Twist them, yeah.
Oh, you twist them?
Yeah, you
Yeah.
twist them off.
Yeah.
My TV was packed in the box with those,
Choking hazard.
and then you just lift the whole box off. But the woman told us when we bought it. There's too many things
Where's
now.
the number 2? I can't even find the number 2. There's too much going on.
Yeah, 2. Can you find the number 4? Oops. Try again. Can you find the number 4?
Just looking.